Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Maybe, I may not be. I don't know. I'm not here to defend his actions, whether moral or not. I'm not here to ideologically align with anyone. I'm not here to convince you that Judd the Builder is a great guy and what he's doing is fantastic. No, I simply want to take an objective look at what is going on here, especially on the issue of free speech. Give my opinion, my legal analysis, my non-expert legal analysis. Of course, I'm not a lawyer, but I have covered many legal issues over the years. I've done some research pertaining to this case.
What the You thought this more weird.
Oh my god, what is this guy doing? What is this guy doing?
What are you doing, you dummy? Here, make sure.
What is this guy doing?
Dude. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Yeah, I think it's real.
Is it ethical for Stitch and Girl Stitch to date?
Why wouldn't Are they brother and sister?
He's 626, and I think she's the same, like, experiment class. That's the ethics.
Not related.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Okay.
Who believes that this relationship is unethical?
And yeah, that's the wrong way.
Turn right onto Hardy Street,
Right.
then turn right onto Hickerson Street.
Clearly does not know. Idiot.
Oh, shit. Damn, bro. Holy.
So, like I said, Saturday night it was just steak, baked potatoes, which is my favorite meal. At dinner Saturday night, conversation, well, if you're on death row.
Except that the rains stop and the clouds vanish.
Red!
In the middle of the third 8th day of spring, the floodwaters of the river begin to subside. Spring flowers rise out of the mud, seemingly everywhere. Late on 8th day afternoon, the ranker aide to the duty.
The only mods that I'm going to do in terms of like drivetrain are 20-inch. What the
Riders look at him with such disdain, as if he were no better than Henley and the worst of the clan. He vowed that he would never stand in such a place again. But it was not easy to extricate himself from this world. A week later, he stood beside Henley when he was convicted of assault in city court. Again.
going, you f***ing re- There's no stop sign.
There's a cop there.
Fatality Dmitry Arkadyevich saw, removing his coat and dumping it on an arm.
Whoa, someone's tire just flew off. Because this guy cut me off. Dick.
Kidding me, bro?
Well, that's just as a spectator. What about as a player while you were there? You don't have time to analyze.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.